Hi and welcome, my name is Yifat and today I'll be more of the artist than the illustrator because here's one thing I love most about Procreate. It's simply a wonderful drawing app. So in this video I'll try out a few new brushes that come with the Procreate 5 update and then I'll show you how to draw in black ink and dry brushes. I invite you to follow with your own illustrations, so grab your pencil and let's get started. So when we have a new app, we want to really take the time to get to know what kind of brushes we have in this app and how they perform. So this is what I want to do now. Oh, look at this one. Let's look at this brush now. Looks a little bit like a watercolor. It's called Tinderbox. Let's try out this one. Whoa! This one is so nice and responsive. It's like the ink is spilling out of the brush. Let's look at this one. This is really cool. This is not a brush that I would use to create a whole illustration, but rather I would use it to add texture and maybe some movement in my illustration. So I definitely would love to go back to this one. Now these are brushes that I've created, kind of mimic dry ink, and I think this is a brush that I'll be painting with later on today. If you're interested in this brush, let me know. I'll place it in my download page and it will be available for you. How about this one? This is a great way to get to know an app, or in this case to get to know these new brushes that comes with the Procreate 5 update. Is just to try them all out and kind of get a feel of what you can work with later on. So this is really what I love to do when something new comes up. We really don't need to be too fussy about what we choose to paint. You can just grab something that is nearby and get started. Don't need to plan too much. I'm going to be working with my dry brush pen today. And I do hope you will get inspired to draw and paint following this, I'll say, painting demonstration. And this is really the object of this video, is to get you inspired to create your own illustrations following this video. And if you do, you're welcome to share them on Instagram with the tag Art with Yifat. I'd love to see your illustrations. I'll give you a comment and a little heart. How did I start out? I started out with a stain. Maybe just a very big stain, just to place everything on my canvas. And I'm slowly starting to kind of mark out the things that I find interesting in this picture. I like the texture on this little container, so I'm marking it. And whatever I see on my canvas is gonna later on inspire me to continue working. I don't want to get into very specific details in my illustration at the moment. I just want to kind of start getting familiar with my subject. It's just kind of like a crazy hair on an airplane. I'm probably not going to be very precise in drawing it, but it's okay. What I would love to get is just the feel of the plant. So this is what I mean when I say we're gonna work loosely. When we work loosely, we're not afraid to make mistakes. And I'm sure I'm making lots of mistakes here, which are fine. I think mistakes in art are what makes the art interesting. So what I'm doing now is I'm kind of searching for the shape, and as I draw, and you probably don't see my head, but I'm constantly looking from the canvas to my subject, to my plant. Now, this brush is really hard to control. Now I'm probably just gonna let the music run and keep you guys company, because it's very hard to speak and paint at the same time. Nice. There's my color. Okay, let's go with the distress. Okay. Once again. That's it, everyone. I hope you enjoy this illustration and get inspired to create your own artwork on your iPads or even on your regular sketchbook. I'd love to see your illustrations, and you're welcome to share them with me with the tag Art with Font on Instagram. do subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you would like to see me draw next, and if there's anything that you'd like to learn to paint on in Procreate, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. So thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.